Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Back to School Week video. Today I have a really fun easel card for you. This is my ABC easel card. How fun is this front cover panel? You have all the different things ready for school. You have a compass, you have the ABCs, crayons over here, the calculator, and the notebook in the background. When you pop open the card, it says school there as the sentiment. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. Easel cards are really fun to put together because they create such a cute little impact and a great way for your recipient to be able to stand up the card on a table or a desk. This is a great teacher appreciation card as well. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares, and your cardstock. This is a great project to use up some scraps, so if you have some laying around, which most of us do, this is a great project to use those up. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Back to School Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Now that we've converted the score lines for the envelope and for the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish the score lines here on this card base. So that's what you want it to look like when you are done. I'm going to set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the solid white, green, blue, the other white piece, burnt orange, yellow, pink, the deep blue, and then the gray or black. Once again, refer to that layering guide. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video while I put it together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our cute cover panel. I'll set that to the side for just a few minutes. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the sentiment layer. Here we go. Now let's take our card base, go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to attach the messaging panel between those two score lines. And now I will close up the card, and I'm going to put glue below this score line right here. And we can attach the front cover panel, and I'm just going to line up the edges. Give it a good press. And now we can open up the card. I'm going to add those foam squares behind the sentiment layer. Now you can't see it here on camera. I have a little scoring line here on the card base that I recommend you place the sentiment over. And now when you open up the card, that's how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and let everything dry. Let's make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Now I would recommend that you take the card, close it up, flip it over, and place it inside the envelope. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our easel card is all set. Wasn't this one fun to put together? It's a really cute design and I really hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Back to School Week video. Bye-bye.